Katie Norris with Disaster Plus, reporting live, and I know what you're thinking. This guy's amateur. He doesn't have the light ring. He doesn't have the logo backdrop. It's true. I'm talking to you in front of a postcard collage in my home, also next to the thermostat. But it's not the visuals that matter. It's the information I'm about to share with you. So I'm currently looking at purchasing my first home. But when I'm going to look at these listings, having grown up in Disaster Plus my whole life, I can't help but wonder things like, where's the water heater? And why in God's name are they still putting these things in attics? Is my cabinetry real wood or MDF? Because if that MDF gets wet, it's having to come out. A main point of emphasis for me is the type of flooring that I have in my home. And so for the next couple weeks, I'm just going to be putting out a couple videos regarding different types of flooring and how to address them if they are exposed to water. So I am going to sign off and let my sister, Julia Ann Norris, aka Disaster Girl, talk to you all about laminate flooring. Here she is.
Okay, so got a call around 8 p.m. roughly. Contractor had accidentally left the sink running, so it flowed over down into these floating laminate floors that have a fiber core which warps and swells once it gets wet, which constitutes removal. One of the giveaways on that is the warping and swelling on the joints of the floor where the boards meet. Even though you might not see water travel across the top, a lot of times with these types of floors, it'll flow underneath the underlayment. So really, it's got to be pulled until you find dry underneath.